derecho is blasting Iowa.
This clearly surpassed any measure of a derecho with flying colors. Wasn't even close.
It's basically a tornado, almost going across the entire state. It's ripping roofs off, it's throwing debris, it's destroying crops. This thing was a monster.
We saw winds with this well over 100 miles per hour carve out swaths of destruction throughout the entire state of Iowa into Illinois.
The highest estimated wind gust for the storm is 140 miles per hour, comparable to an EF3 tornado or a Category 4 hurricane.
Doesn't that look like a horror movie set? Hitchcock couldn't do it better.
What's most remarkable about this video is not so much the color, it's the ferocity of the wind that is moving through.
This isn't just a brief gust of wind. This goes on and on and on for minutes and minutes and minutes because it's literally tapping into the whole jet stream.
The roof is shaking real hard. Oh no.
Cedar Rapids is especially hard hit. The owner of this garage is taking shelter in a bathroom when his roof comes under assault.
Boom. Yep, compromise the roof. There it goes.
That was easy. Oh, geez. And then you see all the debris then is just, oh, gosh. He's picking up everything and blowing it everywhere. Holy moly.
But I want you to see how fast it all goes bad. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I didn't even get 5. And everything's just completely dismantled there.
Nearly the entire city of Cedar Rapids loses power as the area is hit by 90 to 110 mile per hour winds, which last for nearly 45 minutes. At least half the trees in the city are reported destroyed or damaged.
Look at how much debris is on the street and how much is flying off of that, what appears to be a roof in the distance. There's so much debris.
The derecho is so powerful, it turns police cars into wind speed measuring devices.
I mean, you look at that. It looks like its radar gun is registering the wind speed here. I think at one point it went to like 90-something. Oh, 93, 90. Oh, my gosh, right?
And you want to give the atmosphere a ticket, right? You're going way too fast here. Slow down.
The derecho also devastates Iowa's farming industry. An estimated 14 million acres of farmland is reported to be damaged by the storm.
Do you know how hard it is to flatten a field of crops? If you wanted to do it, which you wouldn't, it would take forever.
As you're looking there, you see those 2 grain bins that look like they're crushed soda cans, but then there's that circle down on the ground. That circle used to be another grain bin that was just exploded away in the hurricane force power of this derecho.
Tragically, the storm hits Iowa fields just before some of the corn crops become edible.
You can't even feed this to animals because it would mess up their digestive system. So all of this corn is garbage. We're talking about billions of dollars worth of corn that they just had to throw out. Billions of dollars that they were counting on as generational farmers.
Including Iowa's croplands, the derecho is the most costly thunderstorm in U.S. history, with damage estimates across the Midwest put at $11 billion. For the farmers of Iowa, the price is greater than just dollars and cents.
There's a lot of farmers who their grandfathers and their great-grandfathers farmed that land, and next year they are not going to farm this land because it was just too much for them.